Good morning, Steve. All right, here is your 637 sitting on my 48 flathead. And testing and adjustment went reasonably well, and there are no leaks. Even though I had to add a helicoil in order to get everything set. All righty, well, let's go ahead and fire it up. Idling nice and smooth. Pardon my thumb. Pull it through a few times. Nice and slow and easy this time. Looking good. All right. Let's look at some numbers. Currently idling at 700. Fuel pressure is about 2.75. Vacuum is pretty steady at 23. Very nice, very nice. Alrighty. I think that'll make you happy. Thank you very much, sir. Appreciate it.